and dear participants. This is the entire 1 week faculty development program on the program called Latex. First, about our college, about S.S.T College of Arts and Commerce is a premier educational institution in Mumbai, Maharashtra, established with an aim to equip the youth with the quality as well as career-oriented education based on high ethical values, enabling them to achieve their potential and creative abilities. We empower students to become responsible and productive member of the society. Now, this event, that is LATEX, the main objective of organizing the faculty development on LATEX is to provide a comprehensive overview of documentation using as a LATEX software. The training will motivate and educate the participants to do documentation as well as research paper using this software. The resource persons who are invited are widely knowledgeable in the field and will give us the hands-on training to us. For this event, the resource persons are Dr. Pramod Musrif from AISSMS Institute of IT, Pune, Professor Sandeep Borgaonkar sir from Pimpri Chinchwara College of Engineering and Research, and Professor Shital Patil from Pimpri Chinchwara College of Engineering and Research. For starting this event, I request our founder principal sir, Dr. J.C. Purswani sir, to say a few words and enlighten this event. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Varsha. First of all, I welcome all the participants as well as the resource persons for this faculty development program starting today. As Varsha Madam shared already with you all, that we are trying to focus this particular area, that is research, not only with the faculties, but amongst the students also. And in this direction, we have taken several steps. We had international, national level conference, as well as last month only, we have finished one research-based convention, which was in association with HRD Delhi. Now, during this particular research work, we came across that there are certain technical difficulties faced by the faculties and the students while writing their research paper. So we are thankful to all the resource persons who gave their consent that they will try to enlighten all the participants, whether faculties or the students, so that they are in a position to do their research work at ease. So we came up with this idea of introducing Latex, which is a widely and simplified tool available to all the researchers across the globe. And we hope that from this particular developed FDP program, all the participants, they will benefit a lot and they will get the advantage of learning from the, what you can say, mentors, how to go about this particular latest program and how we can finish off the research papers. So from our institution, I welcome all and give best of luck, best wishes from my side. So to complete this particular FDP program successfully, and we will be continuing with this particular, what you can say, series of research to the next higher level after this FDP is over. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. As sir has rightly pointed out that nowadays research is utmost important, not only for teachers, but also for students also. So if we learn how to make a research paper, we will guide accordingly to our students also, those who are doing UG and PG with us. And as this is the entire 1 week session, so the schedule is already being sent on the WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups. For the further brief introduction about this Latex programming, I request the resource person, Dr. Pramod Musrif Joshi, to say few words on this program.
Thank you, madam. Respected Principal Dr. J.C. Purswani, Dr. Khushbu Purswani, and Dr. Varsha Salwani. I am thankful to management of S.S.T for allowing us to be a resource person for this 1 week FDP, which is to be organized in your institution. I will try my level best to fulfill the requirements of latex and not only during this workshop but after the workshop also. I would like to be in touch with the faculties and students to solve the queries regarding the latex. Regarding the latex, I would like to let you know I am using this software since 2002. So last 20 years, and I am also learning again and again. So for this workshop, I have used this Overleaf. So Overleaf was new for me, but Mr. Shital Patil told me that we have to take this workshop on Overleaf. So I have gone through this Overleaf and tried to bring you the latex, how we can solve this through the Overleaf. So I will try my level best to give from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. As you rightly said, you are using from 2002, but
Yes.
for us, it's really new software. We will
Yes.
learn a lot. Okay. I request Assistant Professor Shital Patil to say a few words on this program.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shital Anant Patil. I would like to thank Principal Sir, Dr. J.C. Puruswani Sir, Vice Principal Dr. Khushbu Madam, and organizing committee members, Mithili Madam and Dr. Varsha Madam, for providing us opportunity to be share our knowledge and be a resource person for this latex workshop. I have done my MSc from IIT Powai, and during MSc, it was required for us to do a project, and it is compulsory to do it in the LaTeX. So from then, around from 2003, I'm using the LaTeX. Right now, I'm doing my PhD in nonlinear dynamics from Amit University, Mumbai, and Dr. Singh sir, Ajit Singh sir, he is my guide. So there also we are using LaTeX. So we are very versed with the LaTeX, and we'll do our best so that you will understand the LaTeX, and we'll go through the hands-on session also. Okay. So particularly, I'm covering the Beamer part. Right. Usually, while doing the presentation, we are using PPT presentation. Okay. So same in case of the open source, it is Beamer. So using the Beamer, we'll try to do few presentations also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As PPT is not only the software where we can make the presentations, but also you said Beamer, you will teach us. Okay, I request now Professor Sandeep Borgaonkar, sir, who is from Pimpri Chinchwara College of Engineering and Research, to say on this FTP.
Hello, good afternoon, all the participants. First, I thank respected Principal Sir, Dr. Purswani Sir, Vice Principal Dr. Khushbu Purswani Madam, and the Faculty Coordinator Dr. Varsha Madam to giving us an opportunity to present our knowledge, share with all the faculty and participants. So I am a MSc Physics. I have done my MSc Physics from University of Pune in 2007. And currently, I am at Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, and I am pursuing my PhD at Department of Physics, University of Pune. Since 2008, when I was working as a project fellow at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, we have been using this software called LaTeX. At that time, it was new for us. But LaTeX has this, so it has many features, and it has the main aim of LaTeX is not to just a minute, there is. So the advantage of LaTeX is it does not require us to tell that document make 32 size or 42 size or center this. You just tell LaTeX, I want a title, it will make a title on its own formatting. If there is a journal, they will create their own formatting, and we will just have to type the title text, etc., etc. So though it might seem it is a little difficult at first, a lot of online material is available, and it really makes fun and clean and beautiful documents which are printer friendly. You don't have to worry about each other printers formatting and all those things. So I think it will be a nice opportunity to share this knowledge with each other. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep sir. As you said, you'll teach us the formatting, especially on all the documentation. Okay, thank you. Now, today's resource person for introducing about the Latex programming, how to install or how to do on Overleaf, I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. Pramod Musrif Joshi sir. He has completed PhD in physics in 2007 from Swami Ramanand Tirath Marathwada University, Nanded. Currently, he is working as an assistant professor in AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, since 2012 till date. Dr. Musrif is a member of Astronomical Society of India. He is as a resource person or subject expert on the various topics such as fundamental of electronics workshop. He has conducted workshops on latex, on how to write the report writing, subject expert of on staff selection committee at DY Patil Technical Campus. Dr. Pramod has published around 9 research papers in various journals at national as well as international level. He has attended more than 30 workshops, conferences on the various topics till date. So I welcome Dr. Pramod Musrif for the day.
Thank you, madam, for a nice introduction. I will share my screen first, and then we will start for the presentation directly. Will it be okay?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Screen is visible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go for the latex and introduction first, today's first session. We'll cover the topics in this presentation like introduction to latex. Fonts used in latex will be covered by Mr. Borgaonkar sir. Symbols, then tables and figures will be covered by him. Numbering equation. Report writing in latex will be covered by me on day 3. Research paper writing will be covered, and question answer session. So we'd like to cover these many topics during our FDP. For today's session, okay, so the references that we will be using for this latex will be the spoken tutorial available at means the tutorial is available at spokentutorial.org. Then latex tutorials are also available. Then this Overleaf is also available that we will be learning during this FDP. And this is one of the well-known book in latex, a document preparation system, latex users guided reference manual by Leslie Lamport. But during using this book, one article is there, how to avoid reading this book. So you don't have to read the book for using the latex, just you have to refer the book and learn the latex. So that is the interesting thing in the book I would like to share with the participants. Then there are many methods to use the latex. One of them has been explained in the spoken tutorial, that is TextWorks on Windows using MikTeX. So MikTeX is one of the software used and where we can run the latex offline with the help of TextWorks as an editor. So the requirement of the system is Windows system and MikTeX. Then Ubuntu system also can be worked, or this MacBook also can be utilized. You can run the LaTeX without TextWorks also. Different editors are also available. Other Linux systems are also compatible with the LaTeX. Now, what is LaTeX? So LaTeX is a document preparation system. Especially, it is a version of Donald Kuhn's text program. So what is this program is there? This is a sophisticated program designed to produce a high quality typesetting. So the quality of whatever the printing material you are getting is of very good quality, or a high quality typesetting is available, especially for mathematical text. The difference between the LaTeX and Microsoft Word. So we can generate the document using Microsoft Word also. But what is the difference? Why to use LaTeX? That is the thing. So participants should know why to use LaTeX and why not Microsoft Word. So in the Microsoft Word, what is happening, that you can just directly edit your document and immediately see the result. While in the LaTeX, it is just like a programming, just like a C programming or Fortran programming or Scilab programming. Like that, you will have to write the code, and after running that code, you will get the output of the program. So it is just like a programming. So for this programming, you will be having a computer file which is having, or which is prepared by using certain rules of the text program, and this text program we are converting into the PDF. We can produce a high quality printer or PDF file. You are getting output, and this can be printed with the help of any printer. So this is just a example.txt file and example.pdf file. Right? Any question up till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, Word document in Microsoft Word, what we are having, formatting commands are invisible. So what is happening in background of the program is not visible. Whereas in LaTeX, whatever the code you are writing is in front of you, and you can visualize the code, and you know what you are, how you want the document, that is predefined, right? And the final result is the PDF file, which can be printed on any printer, right? So you are having it is a text processor. Whatever you are writing a text inside that program, that is you are processing with help of some compiler. So the file includes some commands that have a definite structure. Formatting commands are visible in the LaTeX. The process requires compiler to format the final result. So which compiler we are using? The process we are using is Overleaf in our today's session. Now the different compilers are like this. This is our LaTeX file, and with the help of this command or this compiler LaTeX, we can get the DVI file, and by compiling this DVI file, we are getting PS file, and we will get the PDF file at the end. This is one way. Second way, this is the input file. PDF LaTeX is another compiler which can give you the PDF file directly. Or from DVI file, you can also get the PDF file. And all these DVI file or PS file or PDF files are printable. So in this way, you can compile the program. So for compiling this input file, you can also run the command by using this MS-DOS. So, or if you are using the Ubuntu as a operating system, then you can have one window and you can type the commands one after another, and at the end of these three commands, you will get the PDF file of the input source. So while compiling, if some errors are there, then these errors to be removed. Another thing is that you can use the text or TextWorks or Technic Center or Text Studio, etc. are the editors for running this LaTeX or input file.tex file. So these are different editors. Every document, okay. So this was about the how the LaTeX can be run in the different systems or different editors using. Now every LaTeX document starts with the document class, and in bracket you are having article. This class can have the different classes are available. We will discuss this later on. Then it has a preamble. We can say the structure of the document. So how much width of the document you want, how much height of the document you want, then what is the font you want to use, that has been predefined in case of the preamble. So this is the structure of the document can be defined, or which are different packages. Different packages are there. So which package you want to use, that has to be well defined in the preamble. Okay. And the actual program or actual document we are writing in between begin document and end document, and this structure of the document is defined in the preamble, has to be typed in the, which is called as body of the report or body of the article, or body of the program, sorry, body of the letter, whatever you want to type the document, it is called as body of the document. And how to type this body of the document, that first you need to study, and then preamble you need to study, and then you will be able to write down the document in the LaTeX. So this document class preamble is looking like this. Document class preamble. So this is the first line document class. Which different classes are there? So the report class is there. Another different classes are there. I will just come to that point also. Now in preamble, you are using some packages such as geometry for drawing the diagrams, or you can use some geometrical diagrams you can draw with the help of this package. So many packages are available. Then S.Math package is available for writing the mathematical typesetting. For using some symbols such as alpha, beta, gamma, you can use this package. Then hyperref is the package used to give the link to the document. So all these packages has been used during this my presentation. I will show you one by one. And graphics is the package which is a very important package used to include the I can say picture or figure of the document available with you. So the figure of the document which is available is in the form of JPG or PNG. Any type of picture can be included in the document. Now, which are different types of these classes are there? So the different classes are available, such as article. So for articles, they are used for the scientific journals or presentations or short reports or program documentation. So this is the article class. Instead of report, if we put the article here, in this case, then you will be able to type the document in the form of article. Then IEEE Tran, so many journals are there and they are having their class files. I will call this as a class files. So they are having their own class files, and you can download these class files and put your material in these class files. Example files are also provided by these journals. So IEEE is one of them. So you can download it and generate your document. That also we will see during this 5-day week, 5-day FDP. Then report is also there. So report writing means your thesis writing is also there. Then small books can be written in the form of report also. Some chapters, if they are there, several chapters, report containing several chapters, that can also be used here as a report. Then book is also there. So for the real book, book also is one of the document. Slides, just Shital Patil sir has told that he is using the Beamer for the preparation of slide. Not, I have also prepared the slides in the Beamer using the LaTeX here. Whatever the output file you are observing here is run by running this LaTeX program in the Overleaf itself. So slides, for slides using preparing slides, you can use a slide here class, and for writing letter, you can use a letter as a document class. So how many document classes are available? Article, then different journal, then report, book, slides, and letter. These are the different document classes you can use while means as per your requirement you can use it. Now coming to the Overleaf. So Overleaf is a great online LaTeX editing tool that allows you to create a LaTeX document directly from the web browser. So that is the thing. But the requirement of this is you should have the internet connection with you. So online you can run the program. Article explains how to create a new project in Overleaf. Then starting from the scratch means you can generate a document. Uploading your own files. If you are offline and you have prepared some files by using the LaTeX editor, then you can upload your projects here. Using one of the many templates available. So many templates are available online. So these also can be used from your side. So we'll go for the hands-on session. So first we have to go on the Overleaf. This will take you to the Overleaf. Now you will have to register yourself. So if you don't have the account, then it will say that register yourself. So I request all the participants to open your PCs and go on this site.
Musrif sir.
Yes.
I will also speak in between whenever
Yes,
it is
yes,
required.
yes.
So it is request to all the participants. I think we are audible. So if you have any doubt, if you have any problem, you can speak with us and we'll go through the hands-on session. Those who are on the Zoom as well as those who are in YouTube, it is requested to all. You type Overleaf in the Overleaf LaTeX in the Google, and you will get this address www.overleaf.com.
Overleaf.com, it's sufficient.
That will be sufficient. And once you will open the page, sir, you just open the page and show the people that how the page looks.
So it is going directly to my account, but you will get that register option on the right hand side corner, and you will have to register there with your email ID. So all of you are having Gmail IDs, so register with the Gmail and log in it and go with the new program or new project, I will say. So you will get the default project here, and that you just open it.
Sir, just a minute. Once you register, you just write in chat box that you have registered, so that we can proceed. Sir, we will give 1 minute for everyone to register.
1 to 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You can give.
Yes, register, and if any doubt is there while registering, you let us know. You can write in chat box or you can unmute and you can tell us.
Patil sir, तुम्ही
Yes,
chat
sir.
box बघताय ना?
हो.
हाँ.
Sir, few of them they have registered. Remaining all people, you are requested to register yourself. And if you are facing any difficulty in registration, Mithili madam, can they speak with us?
Yes, sir. On their chat, please. All the participants are requested to write in the chat box if you are facing any query while registering.
See, I will explain it once again. You have to go to the Google. Just you type in Google search Latex Overleaf or Overleaf Latex. Or you can type in the chat box. The address was given by Musrif sir. Musrif sir, show the address once again. This is the address, www.overleaf.com.
You can directly go for register also.
So that
register.
you will reach at the registration page. Once you reach over there, it will ask for email ID, register for registration. You do the registration process. That will take hardly half a minute. Then you will reach at a page inside the website where at the top you will get different options. One of them is project, new project. Okay, once you reach over there, once you are able to register, let us know so that we can go through the remaining part. And
it opens as create first project.
Yes. Create first project and give your name.
Yes.
Madam, actually, for us, if we come to know if they have registered or not, then we'll proceed. So, if you are at your college and if you can interact with the people, just let us know whether they have registered or not. Or the
Last
people.
20 seconds for registration participants.
This is the most important step, so that they will, if they register, then they will come to know what is going on. Else, just listening will not help them.
I think many participants has registered on it. We can go ahead.
Mushrif sir,
We will go ahead.
we'll start with the next part.
So we have got this. Now when you give your name to the project, then you will get such type of main.txt file where you can see line first. Document class is article by default. You can change it. Use package, that is input tech. So whatever this is there, it is called as preamble. This part which I have shaded with the blue color, it's called as a preamble. And within this begin document and end document, whatever you are writing is your document. So make title means you have given the name introduction to LaTeX is the title. So make title, it is printed here at the center, right? Then means this is the title. So initially you will have to give the title before starting the begin document. So it has been given in the preamble part. Introduction to LaTeX is the title. Part, this is title, then author, so it has been printed here, and date of the document is written here April 2022. So you can change the date, you can write here just today. So every command is slashing with black slash. You can type here today and you will get the today's date itself. So if I run this, if I type control yes, it will compile the program. So you will get July 18 2022. So today is the way to write the date itself. Then begin document, make title is there, section is there. So it is there. And here you are writing section. Section means it will give section 1 as an introduction. So one number it has been given automatically, section 1. Then for section Y overleaf, it has given section 2, then section 3. So 1, 2, 3 we are not typing here, but it is taking automatically 1, 2, 3 sections. We can have a subsection also. So if I write here subsection, you will get here a command like this. So you can take here subsection and my introduction, or I can give here the subsection as a importance of LaTeX. So if I save it, control yes, then it will take subsection, and you can see here it has given 1.1 to the subsection. So the numbering it gives automatically, and the speciality of LaTeX is that if you want to generate the index of this document, it will be generated automatically, and its corresponding page number is taking in the index automatically. So this I will show you in the report writing part. Just we are in the initial stage of the LaTeX, so just the numbering will be given automatically. So this is just an article. Then we can go for the different environments in the LaTeX. So in this way, within begin document and end document, whatever you are typing will be your main document. Now here you can use different packages. So what are the different packages you can use? I will show you the one of my preparation, that presentation that I have prepared in LaTeX. I will show you, and here you will come to know which are the different packages we are using in the LaTeX. So see here all projects. So under this I have generated this PCCOER project, and in this project I have written this program, and this is the document class. And what are the document class? X color document I am preparing. Then I am using hyperlink also with the color. Then this is the just a document class, 14 point size I am using, right? So this is the just a class, document class I have defined here. Beamer is the document class. Just I am preparing the slides, so I am using the Beamer class. So regarding the Beamer, Shital Patil sir will be talking to you in the detail. Now different packages in the preamble are use package hyperref. So I am using their links I am using here. So hyperref is a package. Then text margin. How much is the text margin? So left text margin is 0.25. Text margin right is 0.5. If I change this, you will be able to see the changes in the documents itself also. I am using X color, so I am using different colors in my presentations because of this package. Then hyperref is another package. S.Math is mathematical text. Then framed, so I have to use different frames here. Caption and subcaption are used for the figures. So if I am having a figure number 1, and under that figure number 1 I am having figure A and figure B. So I have to give A figure what it is, figure B what it is. So I am using this package subcaption. Then use package export adjust box. Adjust box is a one of the new environment has been defined here, or you can define the new environments also in the LaTeX. Then define color. So I have given here powder blue color. So you will be able to see these topics to be covered in the blue, introduction to LaTeX in the blue. But if I change this ratio, if I make it 0, 0, 0, then what you will be able to see, that I would like to show you. If I make this 0, 0, 0, then you will see the RGB, that percentage of RGB is 0, 0, 0, means what color you will be able to see? Any logic? No color, so it will be a black. So whatever the blue you will be able to see here will become a black here. I am running this program, and you will see here LaTeX and introduction. So all these things will become a black. Now sometimes I have to compile this twice also. So you can see here look of the document has been changed into the black. Or if I write here 1, then 151, let me see, 151 and 102 was earlier. So if I write 151 and 102, again you will be able to see the different color. So this will also change the color by the combination of red, green and blue. So it is compiling and you will be able to see the different color. So different color document you can prepare. This is the green color. You can see here. So green color document. And if I go to another slide, so next part becomes green and first part become black. So that percentage I can change here. So that defined color I have defined here in the document. Then use package ESO peak. Some of the packages I also don't know. I'm frankly talking to you that sometimes I have to do R&D also. So some of the packages, they are there in the package that I have downloaded, and sometimes I also might be knowing or may not be knowing about that packages. Then set beamer color. Beamer color is powder blue. So powder blue is I am defining the command here, and wherever in the document I am using the powder blue, that color has been defined as that we have just seen. The defined color powder blue color is defined as 151 and 102. So powder blue is given to this part of the document, and wherever powder blue is there, it is changing this color. And by so in this way I have prepared. So this is the preamble of the document. This is the preamble of the document. Now we'll proceed further for the different environments in the LaTeX. So we'll proceed further for the different environments in the LaTeX. Which are the different environments in the LaTeX? So we'll go one by one. Again, it is taking you to the LaTeX part. So for the different environments, just okay. I would like to take you to the different website. I will type here. So I have to take you to this site, and the different environments are begin center, end center is one of the environment. How to use the begin center, end center environment, that I would like to let you know. So begin center and end center, and with this syntax, I have typed this text in this document, and this whole text, whatever I am writing within begin center and end center, I will be able to see in the document. So we'll see this hands-on in the simple document. I'm just copying this part from the Overleaf, and I will take this part in the one of the document. I will use this new file. So create this document. Just wait. No, I will type here S.S.T example.tech. So I will see here S.S.T example.tech here at the download direction, and this is the new document. So but here this is a blank document. Now I want to take some part from the original file, that is this preamble. So preamble will be document class. I will take this from this file, document class, and this is REC. Instead of this, I will use the article. So Control V, document class will be A4 size. All of you, I request all the participants to go through the hands-on session, A4 size, and this will be the article. So this, in this article, are not articles, yes is not also acceptable.
Musrif sir,
Huh?
just 1 minute. We'll speak with the participants whether they are getting all these things or not. So all the participants, see what we want to do. You go through the, once you are registered, you might have got the new project over there at the upper corner, upper right corner. So you click on the new project, then it will ask for a name. Okay, so you give any name, say one, that will be your one name. Okay. Sir, तुम्ही जरा ते दाखवा new project so that they will come to know. So still they don't know okay, how to give the names, how to save the file. So if you go through the blank project, so it will be like this. Example, you will get different examples. Okay, these are the different options. So time being, you can go through the blank project will be okay, na sir? Then it will ask for the name. You give any name, whatever name you like, you give the name, say Pramod. Okay, then you click on the create. So you will reach over here. Okay, so by default, few lines are there. Preamble is there. So it is document class. Article is written over there. Okay, then user package, it is written. After that, title is given. Title of whatever article you are writing. Then author is written, right? Date is written. So in your case, it will be different. Okay, maybe your name or maybe whatever information you might have provided to the Overleaf. So it will take the information from whatever you have done the registration. Okay, so this is preamble part. Up to the line number 6, date is written. So up to this, it is preamble part. Then your document will start from line number 8, begin document. Okay. Then make title. So make title command will make the title of that article. So we'll start with the section introduction and then end document. Hope everyone is able to reach up to this step. So sir, 2 minutes diya na? So that they will reach up to this step. Parat ekda sir explain kara. So go to the new project first. New project, then blank project. You go to the blank project, give the name, any name, then click on the create, and then you will reach to the document. Hope everyone is able to reach up to this document. If not, still if you are facing any doubt, any problem, write in chat box or unmute yourself. So in one or other way you convey it to us so that we'll able to solve the problem. Okay, new project, then blank project, then you give the name, then click on create, then you will reach to one page. There you will able to see one document. Okay, so whatever is written on the left side, right, that is the LaTeX document that we are writing, and the document which is visible, it is on the right side. It is that can be downloaded in PDF form afterwards. So time being, we are understanding how we can create a document, how we can create an article, how we can create Beamer PPT presentation like that. That we are understanding. So hope everyone has reached this document class. 5 to 6 different document class Pramod sir has told you before some time. Okay, article, then the different classes are Beamer, report, book, and letter. These are the different classes, document classes. Okay, then different user packages are required according to what is requirement in the article. That article, maybe figures are required, maybe table is required. We want different colors of the font. According to that, different packages are there that are to be used to change the particular thing. Okay, so we have to add user package. Here only one user package is added. So we're not considering table and all those things. Just we are understanding how the document starts. For that only one user package is added. Okay, then title of your article, that is already written. If required, you can change that. Okay, so this backslash title is written, that is command, and whatever the letter you want, that is written in curly bracket. Hope all these things are clear to everyone. Okay, then date is written, and this is preamble part. Okay, that is known as preamble. Then our document it starts with the begin document, then make title, then section is written. By default, it will take the number 1. Again, after some time, maybe after writing few things, again, if you write section, it will take the next number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. By default, it will take the number. All these things are clear. Are you able to reach up to this step?
The steps are written in the YouTube chat box. Kindly refer, dear participants.
If you have reached up to this part, just say type S in the chat box, or just convey it to us by one or other way, so that we can proceed, so that we can cover the remaining part also. So once you make any change, now you have to click on the recompile. Recompile is there in green color. So you have to click over there, so that whatever change are made, they are visible on the right side. And right side, whatever the document, that can be downloaded in PDF form. Afterwards, we'll tell you how we can download it. Not a difficult part.
Can you pardon what should be written in curly brackets and what should be written in simple brackets?
We are not using simple. Usually, simple brackets are not used anywhere. Okay. The square brackets are used. Okay, so that is not compulsory. Whatever is written in curly bracket, that is compulsory part. Pramod sir, please continue.
Okay, so for in square bracket, we can write A4 size, page size, then font number 14 pt. These things we can write in the square bracket, whereas in curly bracket we are writing the environments. So font size, then title, date, everything we are writing in the curly bracket, right? So if I just save it, then it recompiles and will give you the document in the printable form. So you see here 14 point font I am using. If I remove this, then what will be the changes in the document? You can see here. I will be just removing the 14 pt font, and if I just control yes with the help of save, you'll be able to see here. Then I can use the size of the document. If I want to change, I can make it. I can use large or C large page. All these things are different fonts. Capital L large and small L all are small. That also there, or all the capitals are also used. So I can write here, this is my first project, and I save here, and you can see here the size of the document is changing. If I am using here LARGE, then you can see here the size of this is changed. I can use different fonts are there. I can use huge also. And you can see here, the size of the document is changing. So size of the font is changing. So if I want to use different fonts, I can use different fonts here. So large, capital large, huge, these are the different fonts we can use in the LaTeX. Is that clear? Yes, any problem reaching to this part? Then I will go to the PPT part. Then this is the begin center and end center environment is there. Just I will type it from, copy this from this here, Overleaf. You can also type from this Overleaf. In the Overleaf, you will have to type different environments in LaTeX. So Overleaf, you will get this page. This is the website environments, or I will show you here also environments. This is the size website for the overleaf.com projects and
So now we have to go to the environment latex.
environment LaTeX, and different environments are there. So for example, begin center, end center is one of the environment. And here I am coming here. Just you type begin center, end center, and within that you can type anything. So I will just go on hands on with here. I will type here begin center. You just type begin, and in curly bracket you just type C. So you will get begin center, and end center you will get automatically here. Whatever you will type here, you will get the text in the center. So I will type here. I will type here AISSMS, and double slash if I give, it will tell the compiler to go to the next line. Institute of Information Technology. And if I save this, you will be able to see here the font AISSMS, Institute of Information Technologies here. Now the complete font is huge. If I use the curly bracket here, it tells me that it will be for this region only. So this, no, okay, it is not taking. So I can take the curly bracket here for this side. And if I save this, then this much is for huge font, and rest remaining font is small font. So this much is coming for the huge size. I can change the size of this also. Large, and I can type here large, and here also. Participants can unmute yourself and also ask for the queries if they are having. I want a two-way communication from both sides, my side as well as from the participants.
Yes, participants, do you have any query till this step?
Unmute yourself and just try to type this exercise and try to do this as a center environment. This is called as center environment. Now I can give the space if I want to give. H space. H space means horizontal space, or V space means vertical space. I will give here vertical space, and if I write here 2 centimeter, then I will get here 2 centimeter space in between the my project and this. Yes, this is the 2 centimeter space between this AISSMS and the project. So vertical space tells you to give the vertical space, and H space tells you the horizontal space. So if I want a horizontal space between institute of and information, then I can give here H space is here. So 1 centimeter, if I give here, then you will get here like this. So the space is there in between 1 centimeter in between of and information. So in this way, you can give the spacing. Otherwise, it will not consider any spacing from its own. Right? Even I am giving here that enter, 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 and if I run this, even though it will not take any space here. So the spaces are not considered during the LaTeX program. That is the important thing you should note. But double slash is giving you the to go for the next line. So it is coming to the next line. If I remove this, then you will get the same thing in the same line. Yes, just a blank line I have kept here. So it has taken another line. So it is coming on single line. So one line spacing or enter is not considered here. You will have to give the space in between two lines. And as much space as per your requirement you can give here. So this is the center environment. Then we can go for the another environment is figure environment. So figure is another environment. That part will be covered by this Borgaonkar sir or Patil sir. But just this is one of the environment and centering. So I am making the centering of the figure. So this is also one of the environment that I would like to let you know. Then tabular environment is also there. Tables you are typing. So cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, these are the different entries of this table. Then enumerate environment is there. So begin enumerate and end enumerate. So listing environments are there. Under the listing environment, you will have to get the enumerate. So where 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on numberings are given to the program to the this different points. Whereas means I will show you just here. First I will explain you enumerate. Then description is there where the title, this label will be coming here. Whatever the label you want to give, 1, 2, 3 or ABC, whatever you want to give, you can give in the A or B or C or title 1, title 2, and then it is coming one after another, and numbering will not be given in the description part. So this is another part of the listing. And third is the bullets, or this is the symbol or a simple bullets can also be appearing here. So begin itemize, item one after another. So for each atom it will consider as a different point, and it will you can have the listed part or listing of the document can be done. Point 1, point 2, point 3, that also can be done. So these are the different environments. So we'll use these environments in our document. I will show you different environments, listing environments. One more command is there, new page. New page command is there. So this will tell you to take the whatever typing after new page is on the next page. So we'll be using here listing environment. Listing. Have you able to type begin center, end center successfully in your document? Please type in the chat box. If yes, if no, if any doubt while typing, Please write in the chat box. If yes, you can type yes in the chat box. If no, you can write no. Yes, 241. Okay. So you have got successfully, you have completed successfully. Now we'll go for the environment, that is listing environment. So for listing environment, just from here, you will have to go for the environments, different environments. Here you can see here, learn LaTeX in 30 minutes. Learn LaTeX in 30 minutes. So since we have started, 1 hour is over. So everyone might have learned the LaTeX. Figures and list tables, figures. Okay. List environment. I would like to take you on the different side. Okay. I will show you my project. Yes, I can go here. Main one. So here I can have my projects. In this case, whatever I have written in the this Beamer file, I will show you. Yes, this is the listing environment. Begin enumerate, end enumerate. So you will have to type begin enumerate. Just start begin. ENU. Just start with backslash. Every command should start with the backslash. Begin. Enumerate. Just click here. End enumerate will also be there. And in begin enumerate, end enumerate, you will have to type item, first item or second item. So this will be giving you the enumerate type of the document. Some error is there. So error also should be removed. Enumerate should not have the backslash. So that was the error. So it will compile and give you. It has given you in the on the new page because I have entered a new page. So it has gone to the new page. Then same listing environment. Have you got this? Everyone could able to success this? Type in the chat box. Yes. 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 Okay. So all of you got this? Okay. Then we will go for the begin description and description. So I will type this. Okay. I will just type here. Begin in bracket DES. Begin description and description. So whatever I am writing here in begin description and description, I will write here this part. First atom, Control C and Control V here. Whatever I am typing here and saving here will be coming begin description. So this is the description. This is the description. This is enumerate. ENUMERAT. Enumerate. I am just changing the font so that you will be able to see the difference between enumerate and double slash. I will give here to go it for the next line. Why it is not taking next line? Okay, it has taken at the center. Why? Listing environment. For after that I have to give the double slash so that it will come. So listing environment, under that I'm giving you, or I will give you the V space, better way, 1 centimeter. So enumerate. Okay, why it is taking space here? I don't. Sometimes it doesn't take the space, but you will have to give the space forcefully, and in that case you can type here star so that we are forcing it to give the space. So enumerate first and second, description first and second, and then I will write here enumerate, description, and one more is there, environment. Just wait. Description and itemize. So that is the another environment, that is begin itemize, end itemize. Begin itemize and end itemize. So this is the itemize. So begin, type here begin in bracket ITE itemize. Begin itemize, end itemize is there, item. Under item we can write here first item, second item. So if I run this, then you will get it is in the form of bullets. You can see here bullets, but in my document I have defined these bullets as a arrow part, so they are coming like this. By default it will come as a bullet, first item, second item. So this environment is, this is itemize, this is description, and this is enumerate. So these are the different listing environments. Now, on this Overleaf, you can also get the different environments or different projects. Case of home, you can go for new project, example project, or upload project. Upload project means if you are having your project on hard disk, you can upload it, but it should be in the form of .zip file. So all the related material with that project should be compiled, or that folder has to be converted into zip file, and that folder you will have to upload here. Then you can get this. This is the subscribed version. We can import academic journal, book format, formal letter. We can go for formal letter also. So you can get, see here, this is the template. So view source file. If you go ahead, this is your source file of the that program. You can type this or copy this. If I copy this and I can paste it in the any project, in any file I can have. So if I take a new file, that is letter environment, create. So this is letter.txt. This is blank document. I am pasting this, and if I save this, it will compile. But some error is there. Why I am getting this error? I would like to let you know. No PDF. Some error is there. So document class is there. Okay. This error is there. It is shown in red color. I have to make it this. Okay. Percentage is one of the sign that is not considered under the compilation. It will be considered as a comment. So if I give this percentage here, then it will, okay, one more error is there. Okay, so it is very difficult to find out the error, but I will go on the website and will remove this, go to the environments, or okay, later. I have different examples of the later also with me. So I have downloaded these different projects from the website also itself, and they are having their own class files. So you can see this is the resume.cls is a file. This file is a class file, or I can say the class of the document. You don't have to run this, but by using this class, you have prepared this resume.txt. So this is one of the document which has been generated. If I compile this, you will get this project or resume here. Then Harold is the name of the person whose resume is this. You can write your name in this, in place of this his name. So I will writing here my name here, and you will get here. So it becomes, this is my resume, ready-madely prepared from the Overleaf. But of course I have to change the download part also. So present address, I can change present address. In place of present address 193, I can write here AISSMS, IOIT, Pune. So I can remove this address up to 1, 2, 3, 4. Just wait. And if I'm saving this, Ping up like this. I have got my address here, permanent address. So in this way, you can edit in the document and change the documents. So these are the different resume formats. RES2. RES2 is again a different resume format in this way. Then RES3. So I have here 10 resume formats with me. Fourth resume format already available on the internet. Just you will have to just download that zip file and include here, upload here in the this section. So this is about the different classes and different environments in the LaTeX. So I think this much is sufficient for the introductory part of the LaTeX.
Yes, thank you so much, Pramod sir.
Yes.
I know it's very new for us, this latex software,
Yes.
but as we saw the benefits of it, like how to make a letter, how to make a document, how to make this PPT in a preamble, resume in a proper format. So you have taught us about the registration on the latex today. Then a preamble part wherein it feels like we are IT student, we are doing a
Yes,
programming
yes, yes,
and
yes.
putting a slash, and you told us about the double slash for the
Yes,
next line. So these
yes,
are the
yes,
small tips we are learning and we are using, like, yes, we are from the IT background.
yes, yes.
So you have also taught us the environment, in that center environment, figure environment, tabular environment. See, this is the thing. First, we will see, we will do, then only we'll come to know what is the benefit
Yes.
of using this
Uh,
latex.
practice is required.
Correct. So we were doing till now on in the Word document, in the PPT document by given by Microsoft company.
Yes, yes.
But this is like it saves a lot of time of formatting, especially. So
Yes,
thank you. Obviously, for sure, we will practice the same by again seeing your video on the YouTube.
yes, yes.
I request participants to fill the feedback form on a daily basis and see the video again and do the practice and come tomorrow for the same so that we can understand the further part of this program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, all the participants. We will meet tomorrow at 1:30. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.